The European Union's enlargement to Central and Eastern Europe has united the continent, but arguably there are still major continuing differences between East and West today. This could be, for instance, observed in the European elections of June 2024, where there were important differences in voting, for instance, between Eastern and Western Germany. The East-West differences include tensions between the core Europe and its periphery. It relates to deeply embedded mentalities and prejudices which tend to represent the East as backward, backsliding, and generally as different and less developed. The deeper understanding of these differences points to a predominant West European white subject, which dominates the idea of what Europe is, who is prioritized in the European integration project. The default understanding of European citizens as West European, white, may inform the creation of a hierarchy between peoples and countries in Europe, and it may prioritize Western European contributions to an overall European integration project. It is also this somehow biased image of Europe, a kind of myth of the good Europe, that may inform what seems still to be major differences between Eastern and Western, and probably also Northern and Southern Europe. This difference becomes tangible, for instance, in the attractiveness of Eastern and Western European locations. For instance, in relation to Erasmus and mobile students going to Eastern Europe. What is more, students from Eastern Europe may tend to be mobile not just for reasons of curiosity or interest in other cultures, but also out of sheer necessity. There are no opportunities in their countries. In this, they may contribute to a brain drain that might actually exacerbate the differences. And the Eastern European students may face forms of discrimination, discriminating treatment on mobility much more than those from Western Europe. So, major questions remain of importance. To what extent does the Erasmus Plus program emphasize, contribute to an overarching identity that explicitly includes East and Central Europe? Should participants from Western Europe be more actively encouraged to take exchanges in East and Central Europe? Should East and Central European institutions become more central to the program itself? What is then the relation of the Erasmus Plus program to a youth brain drain within the European Union?